Hi friends, welcome back to Grow Math Easy. Today we're going to test your fraction skills with an Understand Fractions quiz. If you'd like to practice even more on paper, I've made a special worksheet with Understand Fractions questions and the answer sheet. This quiz has 20 questions in 3 levels. They come in 2 types, fractions of a whole and fractions of a quantity. You can slow down or pause the video anytime if you need more thinking time. And to make the quiz even more fun, you can pick your answer with a fun pose when you know the answer. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and tap the little bell so you won't miss more fun math practice with me. Alright, let's start with level 1. What fractions of the shape is shaded? 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, or 2 over 1? One over 2. Half of the shape is shaded. What fractions of the shape is shaded? 1 over 1, 2 over 2, 1 over 4, or 2 over 4? Two over 4. 2 quarters of the shape is shaded. What fractions of the shape is shaded? 1 over 2, 2 over 1, 1 over 3, or 3 over 1? One over 3. 1/3 of the shape is shaded. What fractions of the shape is shaded? 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 5, or 2 over 5? 2 over 5, 2/5 of the shape is shaded. What fractions of the shape is shaded? 3 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 5, or 2 over 5? 3 over 5, 3/5 of the shape is shaded. Choose the figure with 1/4 shaded. Figure 1 has 4 equal parts, 1 is shaded. Choose the figure with 2/6 shaded. Figure 3 has 6 equal parts, 2 are shaded. Choose the figure with 1/3 shaded. Figure 2 has 3 equal parts, 1 is shaded. What fractions of the shape is shaded? 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, or 3 over 1? 1 over 4. Add a line to divide the shape into 4 equal parts with 1 part shaded. What fractions of the shape is shaded? 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 3 over 4, or 3 over 8? 3 over 8. Add 4 lines to divide the shape into 8 equal parts with 3 parts shaded. What fractions of the fruits are oranges? 1 over 2, 2 over 6, 1 over 4, or 4 over 6? 2 over 6. 2 oranges out of 6 fruits equal 2 over 6. What fractions of the fruits are apples? 1 over 2, 2 over 6, 1 over 4, or 4 over 6? 4 over 6. 4 apples out of 6 fruits equal 4 over 6. What fractions of the packs are goldfish? 1/2, 2/9, 3/9, or 4/9? Two over 9. 2 goldfish out of 9 packs equal 2/9. What fractions of the packs are dogs? 1/4, 2/9, 3/9, or 4/9? Four over 9. 4 dogs out of 9 packs equal 4/9. What fractions of the packs are cats? 1/9, 3/9, 2/9, or 4/9? Three over 9. 3 cats out of 9 packs equal 3/9. How many apples are 3/4? 1, 2, 3, or 4? 3. 3 out of 4 apples equal 3/4. How many strawberries are 5/8? 5, 4, 3, or 2? 5. 5 out of 8 strawberries equal 5/8. How many cars are 2/7? 1, 3, 2, or 4? 2. 2 out of 7 cars are 2/7. 1/3 of how many pens is 1? 1, 4, 2, or 3? 3. 1 out of 3 pens is 1/3. 2/4 of how many pens is 2, 1, 4, 2, or 3? 4. 2 out of 4 pens is 2/4. Great job, everyone! You have just finished 20 questions on understanding fractions. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you find this quiz helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your friends so they can grow their math skills too. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next one.